y'all, it's your girl Deja Janae EXO, and I'm back with another video. Sorry if y'all can hear an echo. I'm obviously, well, not obviously, but I'm in my bathroom, so if you hear an echo, that is why. So today, as you can tell by the video, I will be doing a skincare routine. People always ask me, like, Deja, you wear makeup all the time, like, how do you keep your skin together? I'll always break out when I do this, but how do you not break out? Things like that. So today I'm just going to be showing y'all my skincare routine, what I do when I take my makeup off, how I take my makeup off, and things like that. So if y'all are interested in seeing how I keep my skin together, then keep on watching. So the first thing that I do is take some makeup wipes and wipe off as much makeup as I can before I go in with like soap and cleansers and all of that. So I'm just going to take, it usually takes me like 1 to 2 wipes. No more than 2 though. Usually it takes me like 1 to 2 wipes to get everything off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so now that I got most of the makeup off, when I tell y'all, when I be cleaning my face with these wipes, I use every inch of white left on these makeup wipes before I get a new one. So I didn't have that much makeup on today, so I only needed to really use one because at this point I'm just, you know, wiping off my skin and we need that. So I'm about to go ahead and move on to step number 2. So step number 2 is to cleanse my face with some type of cleanser, and today I'm going to be using the BOLDEN Skin Clarifying Cleanser. It cleans deeply, unclogs pores, and prevents breakouts, and the bottle just looks like this. So yes, I usually clean my face in the morning and at night, but especially on days where I wear makeup, I definitely clean it that night and I clean it again that next morning just to get any excess makeup off, or if I missed anything or whatever. But on a usual day, I really only use a face cleanser when, like, one time a day. Like if my face didn't really go through much that day, I'm not gonna cleanse my face more than it needs to be, because I don't want to like strip my face of like its natural oils, and it's, you know, your skin naturally gets rid of what it doesn't need. So, you know, when I don't need it, I don't use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and dampen my face so we can go ahead and get into this cleanser. And I'm not sure if I said this earlier, but when you wash your face, you want to make sure that your hands are clean, especially if you're going to be going touching your face. Sometimes I use my fingers and sometimes I use my spin brush. I might go in again. I usually wash my face twice. The first time just to get all the makeup off, and the second time to usually really clean. So I'm going to go in with my spin brush the second time. But yeah, you just want to make sure that your hands are clean, because you don't want to clean your face with dirty fingers. And it smells really, really good. I don't know, I can't put my finger on what it smells like. It smells like a fresh scent. Like, it doesn't have like an actual like scent. Okay, so now that I massage that in good enough, I'm just going to go ahead and splash water on my face to rinse this off, and then I'm going to go in a second time with my spin brush. So I'm just about to go ahead and splash water on my face one more time, and I'll be right back to go on to step 3. So I'm just taking a paper towel and just like dabbing in any excess water. I don't want too much water on my face, but I don't want to dab it completely dry because I don't want to dry my skin out. So just lightly dabbing, just get the water out your eye basically. So the next thing I want to do is take this toner and some cotton rounds and just put some of this on my face. And this is also, my toner is also from the BOLDEN line, and this says Skin brightening toner, diminishes appearance of dark spots, tightens and refines pores, prevents breakouts, controls oil and shine. So if you're extra oily, if you're an oily girl, this toner would be great for you. My skin is usually a dry skin, so we'll see how this does for my skin. Yeah, but my skin is typically dry to combination skin. I don't have oily skin at all. So we'll see what this does for me. I can tell this is a really good toner because like you feel it working. I used to have another toner before the toner I had before. I know that's a lot of befores and befores, but the one I had before, the very first one I had was a really good toner, and then I ended up like, you know, trying to change products out, just try different things, and the one I got after that one, like you didn't feel anything. It just felt like I was putting water on my face, if that makes sense. But this one, I can feel it like working. And then the last step of my skincare routine is to just add some moisturizer to my face, just so I don't get, you know, just so my face is not dry. I just take a little bit. So that pretty much concludes my face care routine, my skincare routine. Face care, skincare, same thing. Yeah, I just, you know, usually use a cleanser, a toner, and then a moisturizer. And that is how I keep my skin together. I make sure that I'll at least exfoliate my face probably at least 2 to 3 times a week, just to make sure that I'm, you know, circulating those skin cells and getting the dead skin to come off and bringing in the new cells. So yeah, your girl face feel nice and clean. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me zoom out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. If you're interested in using any of the products that I use, I will have them linked in the description box below so you can check them out. So I will see y'all in my next video. So until next time, peace.